Gotta get my backpack situation figured out.
Uh-oh, it's not gonna move.
I haven't slept in probably 3 days.
Welcome back. My name's Will, trail name Last Strap. I'm agonizingly close to the Sierras on the PCT, but the Mojave Desert is not letting me go without testing me to the limit. Between broken gear stabbing me in the hips, dodging the fattest rattlesnakes yet, and going on 3 days of zero sleep, I'm at my breaking point. But I have to make it to Tehachapi. Let's go.
Last night was rough. The windmill farm is cool, and we're kind of glad that we're getting it during the day, even though we wanted to go farther. So we're gonna go as far as we can today. I think we're gonna do at least 15, 16 miles, no matter how late it gets, I guess. Then we should make it to Tehachapi tomorrow.
Yep.
She says yes, so rest up in Tehachapi and gear up for more. Big old rattlesnake. Well, we need you to move along, bud.
Uh-oh, it's not gonna move.
God, I think it just ate. Look at how fat it is.
Yeah.
Probably snagged a mouse. Here, take my trekking pole and I'll go first.
Why should I take your trekking pole?
Because I'm gonna film in case it fucking bites me.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah. Ah!
Oh, it's moving.
Really?
Yes. Oh, fuck. Look how they hide in the bushes.
I feel like we should probably wait for them.
Look how they hide. It's crazy. I can see its tongue. It's coiling up though. I'm gonna get out of here.
I mean, it's not gonna do anything unless we fuck with it, but we need to wait for them.
Yeah. Isn't it crazy how they hide? That is crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, you wouldn't see it.
I cannot see it from here. This is crazy. Crazy. It's scary.
It is finally a town day. Getting into Tehachapi, California, which is the end of the SoCal far out map. It's kind of cool because then we all get to start at the bottom of the Sierras map. So headed to Tehachapi, gonna hitchhike into town. Guessing probably get some breakfast, but very excited. It's been a very long time since I've had a shower, as you can tell by my gnarly ass beard. Tehachapi, here we come. Seems like every time I'm tired and grumpy, I show up to trail magic. What are you gonna do? How are you gonna be tired and grumpy when there's an ice cold beer somebody was nice enough to leave out here for? Who even knows? They don't know. Do they know?
No.
Do you want some?
No, it's so cold. It's nice.
Very nice. This is what it's like today. Getting closer to our ride to get into Tehachapi, which I think we're both very excited for. I don't know what I'm most excited for at this point, whether it's fish and chips or a shower. Probably a shower. It's definitely a shower. This is part of the trail. We decided to do it all today instead of hitching in like almost everyone else did. They hitched in about 10 miles back, but we're purists. We're not missing any of the trails, so we decided to do the miles today, get a ride from Cameron Road and into Tehachapi, where we'll spend the night, zero tomorrow, go our separate ways, but I'll be going out of here probably Tuesday. Got to get my backpack situation figured out. I have removed the frame because it was stabbing through the bottom into like my hips. I got to get a new pack, so waiting for Durston to write me back. Hopefully they get back to me tomorrow. I can have something overnighted and have it shipped out here. Got to do what I got to do. Just don't want to miss too much time on trail because it's getting later in the season and I want to get to the Sierras as soon as possible. So day by day, step by step. This town is
another weird one, but all packed up, patched my backpack. I've got another one being sent to Grumpy Bear's Retreat in Kennedy Meadows, so I'm gonna have to roll with a broken pack till then, but I think our patch job might hold up. I'm just gonna have faith that it will. But our packs are heavier than they've ever been, probably in our lives. We're a little worried about it because we have a 16-mile water carry. The desert is so hot right now. We're trying to get, well, she's trying to get to Kennedy Meadows in 8 days. I would ideally like to do that too, or at least get there as soon as possible so that I can get my pack, but it's gonna be rough. But we're out of here in 10 minutes. I'll be crying on my next video. We are back on trail. Happy to be back on trail after a 00. Feeling all right, feeling pretty good. Physically at least.
Move, my friend.
Come on, bud. Time to go. Don't want to stress you.
Don't poke it. There we go. Go, buddy.
Pretty perfect right now, but it's been really hot. It's just been a really long water carry. Super thirsty. I'm just gonna be real. I'm over the desert. It's beautiful. It's you know, getting prettier as we get closer to the Sierras, but these long water carries, just the blistering heat, everything's trying to stab you and bite you. I'm ready for the Sierras. Like, you know, not all of this is fun and games. Doing good as far as time goes, so keep on keeping on. Sometimes people put a lot of work into piping water from upstream. It was a very windy night. Barely slept. Got out of here about 2 hours later than I wanted to, so it's about 6 a.m. now. Got 5 liters of water, bunch of food. My pack's heavier than it's been yet. I know I keep saying that, but it just somehow keeps happening. Super brutal day. Got me some fish tacos with some Doritos and mayo and hot sauce. Gonna be delicious. Woo, big ol' buddy. Scared the shit out of me. Not sure you can see him on the camera, but he is ready to get me. Oh my God. That scared the absolute shit out of me. All good. All good, buddy. Tonight's dinner. Green chili mac and cheese, refried beans, olive oil, peanut butter, and Doritos. Delicious. All right, survived the epic water carry yesterday. Shouldn't be as bad today. There's some caches out here. Been warming up already, but I got heavyweight and Drizzle with me this time for my birthday. Drizzle gave me some gifts this morning, some Reese's Pieces. Another guy I just met gave me a cigar.
I put a rock in your bag.
Yeah, so here I am trying to shed weight. I'm getting all these gifts. Just kidding, but I'm very grateful. Stoked for an easy day, right guys?
Not ridiculously hot or anything.
Yeah, not gonna be hot. It's gonna be plenty of water, plenty of shade, plenty of shenanigans. Add another water cache. And guess what? Trail magic for my birthday. When my spirits are low and I'm just wanting to quit, someone shows up to feed me with beer and sparkling water.
I'm not sure.
Fucking break time.
It's my favorite time.
Mine too.
Oh, that's not. Yeah.
Happy birthday to me. See, this I can handle in the desert. If I had something like this every day, I'd be like, all right, I could go a little bit longer, but I'm ready for this to be the end. Yeah. And this is getting me psyched for the Sierras though, because you know, it's just gonna keep evolving the closer we get to these kinds of landscapes with more like colorful vegetation. And if you think about it, up there, it's gonna be like spring. So it's gonna be like early spring, Shit's gonna be coming into bloom while we're up there. All the wildlife. I can't wait. It's hard to remember to film the struggle points, but we're at this water cache and it's freaking hot. This guy stopped to make sure we were okay, and we actually flagged him down. We got a buddy up there that's got something wrong with his stomach, and this is not the place to be dehydrated. So
Thank you so much for the
blistering desert. Thank you very much.
a lot.
Gave us some ice, so that's nice. Oh my God, it's so getting so gorgeous. This is what I need. This is my time of need. This is our bag hang.
Good old right angle knot on the neighboring tree. Overhand security. That bad boy ain't going nowhere. That's gonna fall on me while I'm sleeping.
All right, good work. Good work. Had another hard time trying to sleep last night, but it was a good day overall. My birthday. Drizzle, Heavyweight, and Robbie were all very sweet. Heavyweight made me a birthday cake, creme brulee. We had a hot chocolate caramel whiskey, which was delicious. Ate some morels, got to give Drizzle a morel for the first time, and then tossed and turned as per usual. I haven't slept in probably 3 days. Very emotional again today. Really hoping I can get through this processing before the Sierras, but it's a lot, so, but I'm not giving up. Trail will take care of me some way or another. This part royally sucks. It's so hard. There's like endless climbing. I came from all the way down there. If you can see where that road is. Pretty though. I had to film this one because it's really good. Potatoes, eggs, beans, peppers, onions, a veggie medley, olive oil, tacos. Delicious. But how cool would it be to do 21 miles today and then 30 tomorrow and then already be in Kennedy Meadows?
It would be pretty rad.
I'm so excited for the Sierras. Fuck yeah.